Update muna nga tayo sa mundo ng basketball sa Gilas, Pilipinas. Susunod nga na naturalized player ng Gilas, Pilipinas ay na rin mismo kay Coach Tim Cone ay pwede na raw sumama sa mga susunod na practice ng Gilas, Pilipinas. Samantalang ang 3-time NBA champion may sinabi patungkol nga dito kay Kai Sotto. Ngunit bago tayo magpatuloy, pakipindot naman ang like, subscribe at ang notification bell para updated ka sa susunod kong i-upload. Nasa Pilipinas nga ngayon ang 3-time NBA champion na si Danny Green para nga ito sa kanyang Philippine Tour. At kung atin ngang babalikan ay nagpunta na sa Pilipinas noon si Danny Green way back 2015, tapos bumalik lang ngayon dito sa Pinas. At sa kanyang naging interview ay napag-usapan nga nila si Kai Sotto at ang posibilidad na makapasok si Kai Sotto sa NBA. At ito nga si Danny Green ay nagbigay ng opinyon patungkol nga dito kay Kai Sotto sa kanyang NBA dream. At ayon nga kay Danny Green ay magagawa naman daw talagang makapasok ni Kai Sotto sa kanyang pinapangarap na NBA kung ipagpapatuloy niya ang kanyang matinding determinasyon at hard work. At dagdag pa nga ni Danny Green ay may advantage itong si Kai Sotto. Yung kanyang tangkad, kailangan lang daw idagdag yung sipag at tiyaga. Ang sabi nga niya, if he continues to work and build some good habits, he could definitely find his way into the NBA. At pwede rin daw yung iniisip ng kampo ni Kai Sotto na sumubok sa NCAA dahil may scout daw at maraming makakapansin sa galing ni Kai Sotto doon, at yun daw ang posibleng maging tulay upang makapasok siya sa NBA. At bukod nga sa sinabi ni Danny Green na may pag-asang makapasok sa NBA itong si Kai Sotto, ito nga good news. Nagsalita na nga itong si Coach Tim Cone at sinabi niya nga na suportado ng SBP at gayon na rin ng Gilas, Pilipinas ang pinapangarap ni Kai Sotto na makapasok sa NBA. At kung hindi man daw makapaglaro si Kai Sotto sa mga laban ng Gilas, Pilipinas ay nauunawaan daw nila yon. Ang importante daw ay tinatahak ni Kai Sotto ang landas na makapasok siya sa NBA at upang maging proud balang araw ang ating mga kapwa Pilipino sa kauna-unahang purong Pinoy na makakapasok sa NBA na si Kai Sotto.
About, is there any truth about, the rumors online surrounding Kai Sotto, that the reason he will not commit to the Gilas or he might not commit to the Gilas Pilipinas, he is still aiming for that NBA dream?
Well, let me just say, first of all, that we are all in favor of that NBA dream.
Okay.
I'm talking about the whole SBP program. I'm talking about his teammates here, the coaching staff, management. We are doing what we hope, everything we can, to give him that opportunity to get to the NBA. That is our number one goal, is to, we always wanted to use the SBP and the Gilas as an opportunity for him to showcase himself so he could attract the NBA. And that was always one of our goals. So we've always been in huge support of him going to the NBA. So we will never ask him to play for us if it's going to stop an opportunity for him to get into the NBA. That's the priority. So let me say that right away. We don't see him playing with us as a priority. We see him getting into the NBA as a priority. We think that will be greater for the country.
Definitely,
if we get into the NBA and play, that will make a greater impact on everything that we do as a country, basketball wise. More than if he plays with us and maybe we, win a game or two against Australia or something like that. No, Kai going to the NBA would be the ultimate for us. So we really want him to get there. But if he needs to do that, and there's a path for him to do that, then obviously we will give him our blessing and our full support, and we'll do what we can to help him.
Okay.
Samantalang sa ibang balita naman, ang susunod nga na naturalized player ng Gilas, Pilipinas na si Malik Diop na gagamitin sa basketball 3x3 ng Gilas, ngunit posible ding gamitin sa 5v5 at pasado na nga sa ikatlong reading ng Kongreso ang kanyang naturalization process at pirma na lamang ng presidente ang hinihintay at makakapaglaro na siya sa mga laro ng Gilas Pilipinas, kasama nga ang naturalized player din ng Gilas Women na si Elizabeth Mins. At ito nga, good news, nagsalita na nga itong si Coach Tim Cone at sabi niya nga na itong si Malik Diop ay pwedeng sumama sa magiging practice ng Gilas Pilipinas, lalong-lalo na sa paparating na third window, at gayon na rin sa Asian Games ay pwedeng makipag-practice itong si Malik Diop. Nilinaw nga ni Coach Tim Cone na yung mga nagsasuggest na 3 months practice ay napakalabo daw nun dahil hindi naman daw makukumpleto yung mga Gilas players sa loob ng 3 buwan dahil yung iba ay naglalaro sa Japan B-League, Korean basketball, at napakalabo daw mangyari na magsama-sama ang Gilas Pilipinas players sa loob ng 3 buwan, kaya naman imposible ang mahabang practice para sa Gilas Pilipinas. At mabalik nga tayo kay Malik Diop, pakinggan natin ang buong sinabi ni Coach Tim Cone patungkol nga sa kanya.
Malik Diouf, I just want to get your thoughts. Malik Diouf got the okay from the Senate, and we are just waiting for the sign of the president. Is there any possibility for you to, borrow Malik Diouf for the 5-on-5? Since if I'm not mistaken, he's for the 3x3 program of the Gilas Pilipinas.
Yeah, he is for the 3x3. I don't know. I mean, we could easily bring him into practice, or if something happened to Justin. We have Ange Kwame as well. You can only play one naturalized player at a time in FIBA, so to have a bunch of naturalized players in practice is just kind of disruptive. But I haven't really given that much thought, to be honest with you. And it was nice that they got him in for the 3x3. That's going to be really important for Coach Kirk Collier, because he's now handling the 3x3, and that's going to impact them big time. And we'll see. He can come into our practices, and we'll take a look and see how well he competes. But a naturalized player has to be really good. I mean, he's got to be
Definitely
beyond import level. That's what we're thinking. He's got to be. It's not going to go and just get a regular import. Naturalized guy needs to be at the top of the list of imports at the worst. Really, when you're going to consider a naturalized player. At least that's what we're thinking in our minds.